growing up, I was a very nerdy kid. Was very strict sa school ko, very tedious sa studies at sa after-school activities. So, wala naman.
Ito yung question na hindi lang sa school ha, even dun sa lawa, little things na kumupit, parang ganun, or may mga bagay na sukle, parang ganun. Not just on the school, parang ganun. Para may idea rin kayo.
Kung hindi naman sa school, siguro po sa games, mahilig din ako mag-video games. So, noon I would Google the cheat codes kung paano. Pero hanggang doon na.
Ako same. Dati sa PSP, nung bata pa ako, uso dati GTA sa PSP, di ba? So may mga cheat codes. Yun lang naman. Kasi sa school naman, parang you're trying to find shortcut ways, pero not to the point na you're too cheating from it. Parang minsan hindi mo nababasahin yung buong lesson. Hanapin mo na yung mismong sagot eh, di ba? Pero hindi mo siya syempre gagamitin sa actual exam. Pero you find shortcut ways lang para sa mapabilis lang yung pag-aaral mo. Pero yun, in other ways, siguro yung sa PSP nga tama sa games.
Go.
I think we already answered this last story. Pero looking back, I think I did when I was in elementary. Pero when I moved to the US, in middle school and high school, ako na yung nagpapakopya. Kasi I was, that's how I made friends nung una. Because I was like in the parang nerdy group. I really liked math. And then, yeah, I think, normal naman for being a student. Like, you know, if you wanted to make friends back then, and then, kahit yung mga homework lang. Pero sa test, no.
Hello. Yeah, I guess sometimes, yeah, like same with video games. Sometimes, okay, look, I make effort, okay? I will make an effort, I will try as much as I can. When it comes to like an hour or hours later and I just cannot figure it out, sometimes I'll look it up online. I can walk through, I play the walkthrough sa YouTube.
Thank you. Last na kay Derek, follow up ko lang po. Derek, kasi yung